Fred Sangam. I request our founders, ma'am, to please hoist our national flag. Fred Samna Saludoga Samna Salute.
Ma'am, teachers, coordinators, and to the students present here. I, Juhi Chaudhary from class 10D, is here to deliver a patriotic speech to all of you. Today, we are gathered here to celebrate a day of immense pride, reflection, and gratitude. I would like to take a moment to acknowledge this occasion in the history of our great nation. On this day, 15th August 1947, India broke the chains of colonial rule and emerged as a sovereign nation. Our journey to independence was long and complicated, marked by the sacrifices of countless brave souls who envisioned a free and prosperous India. Leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Subhash Chandra Bose, and many others led the struggle with unparalleled courage and determination. Their unwavering commitment to justice, equality, and freedom laid the foundation of our nation. As we celebrate our independence, it is essential to remember the values that our freedom fighters stood for. Unity in diversity, respect for all religions and cultures, and the pursuit of social and economic justice are the pillars on which our nation stands. These principles guide us in building a society that is inclusive and progressive. In the past decades, India has made remarkable strides in various fields. We have become a global leader in technology, science, and innovation.
Naidu, a great Indian poet and a political activist. Riva Shah of class 1D as Annie Besant, Britisher by birth, Indian at heart. Urvashi Nanda of class 2B as Aruna Asaf Ali, Grand Old Lady of Indian Independence.
We have one life.
Atia Abdul of class 2B as Begum Hazrat Mahal, the warrior queen of Awadh. Yashashvi Soni of class 1D as Rani Lakshmi Bai. खूब लड़ी मर्दानी, वो तो झांसी वाली रानी थी.
मैं झांसी की बेटी हूँ. मैं मेरे देश का सर ऊंचा रखूंगी. मैं भी झांसी नहीं दूंगी. भाग फिरंगी भाग.
Gauri Nakhtar of class 1A as Matangiri Hajra, fondly known as Gandhi Budi.
Hail to the motherland, my country, my mother. Vande Mataram, Matri Bhumi Jai, British Bharat Chhado.
Today, we celebrate the 78th Independence Day. And as we commemorate this day, we are reminded of the artist's journey that our patriots had undergone to bring for us a silver lining, a rainbow of freedom. This day marks the triumph of collective sacrifices of uncountable, unnamed individuals and realization of dreams nurtured over generation. Our struggle, our hustle was a tapestry of courage, resilience, perseverance. The seed of revolt had started against the colonial rule and like a wildfire had spread across the nation, igniting the spirit of resistance among all. It is today and every day. The names of Mahatma Gandhi, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Khudiram Bose, Prafulla Chaki, and many others should be remembered and hailed. It is today that we should acknowledge
ये आशिक कहीं सिर्फ वतन से हसीन सनम नहीं होता, हीरों में सिमट कर सोने से लिपट कर मरते हैं कई, पर तिरंगे से खूबसूरत कफन नहीं होता।
India was under colonial rule and it involved sparks of resistance was being witnessed. One such reformer who dared to stand against colonial rule and take decisive actions was Khudiram Bose.
Oh, Prafulla, why are you being late? Have you been to Hemchandra Babu?
We have it. We have our plans ready, mapped en route. Tomorrow shall be the day when we deliver justice.
No. We should wait and check the Muzaffarpur path and keep the notice of time when King's Fort visits the place.
Okay. Remember your code name. Arrange Sarkar. Jai Hind.
Jai Hind, Dinesh.
On the day of assassination, Khudiram Bose and Prafulla Chaki threw a bomb on the carriage of King's Fort. But mistakenly, they had thrown it on the carriage where King's Fort was not there, and 2 women were killed. Both Prafulla Chaki and Khudiram Bose escapes.
Oh, what have we done? They knew our plans and conspired against us. We killed 2 innocents. What have I done? These blessings are making my hands stiff. My country, my mother, envelop me into the warmest embrace. For I choose not to surrender. Jai Hind!
Khudiram Bose flees but gets caught, and on 11th August 1908, he is taken to the gallows by the policemen and was sentenced to death.
Vande Mataram.
He walked to the gallows without a mark of anxiety, firmly and cheerfully, as if it was destined to sacrifice his life.
At that age of 18, when boys behind time, in daydreaming, thinking of the year, he took pistol in his hand to liberate motherland from the tyrant's clutch.
And Khudiram, the chained lion, did not bow his head. He was sentenced to death and hanged on 11th August 1908. Vande Mataram!
Can we hear it from all of us?
Sarkar baseline of the entire speech. See how unaware we are as Indians. So how do we, as in unaware, I wouldn't say unaware because of any other reason, but unaware because of this. Because this has so many useful and useless things to show us, but still we choose and our choices matter. So in case, how do you think over the next 100 or 200 years will pass for our independence unless we become responsible citizens? Do small things, do small duties on our daily basis that will lift the name of our country. So with that thought, with that message, let us take an initiative. Let us take an initiative to go ahead and spread the name in whichever way we can. Might be the smallest way possible. But as Mahatma Gandhi said, be the change that you want to see. So ending with that thought, be the change that you want to see so that we live in a brighter and much more wider aspect, as the Apoja Miss had said in her speech, a very vibrant and a very, pluralistic India, and not a small democratic India who keeps on fighting amongst their own selves.
उन लोगों से तेरा है कोई क्या वास्ता जो आसानी से तुझको है मिल गया, उस आजादी की इज्जत कभी कर करा। ये लोगों ने
With this, we come to the end of the Independence Day celebration. Mark my words, celebration. All right. I thank all my children, all the students who actively participated in the program that was put up. Also, the children who actively participated in the decoration, as you can see, whether it was middle school, whether it was the hoisting area or the junior section or the senior section. Thank you, children. God bless you. And I suppose attending this function, you are able to learn a lot of things, right? You learned a lot of things, and this is the message of every educational institution. It's not only that we upgrade you in the academics, but also upgradation in culture, all right? Knowledge that you gain today. Thank you, dear teachers. The song was really well sung, and all the participants, every program that was put up. I would especially like to thank Dalia Miss also, the other teachers who were the program in charges like Neetu Miss was there, Kanchita, but a special thanks to Dalia Miss because she would see every pin and point, and I would say again, you have started, but every program was the best. Congratulations, thank you very much.